How to use Uber Green Feature 2026. To use the Uber's Green Feature as of 2026, first of all, launch the Uber application on your device. Once you open it, make sure to log into your account. Now, within this Where to box at the top, go ahead and tap on this. Then input or type in your desired pickup location as well as your drop-off address. Once you do this, you will be sent to this ride selection option. From here, you simply have to view all the available tiers beyond standard Uber X. Now you simply have to tap the Uber Green option designated by a green leaf or car icon. However, that feature is not yet available within my region, but you should be able to find that option over here. Once you tap on it, you simply have to tap choose Uber Green option, and then you simply have to confirm your exact pickup spot and wait for the hybrid or electric vehicle driver to arrive. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.